So can you see my screen, right?
Yeah, can see.
Okay, so today I'm going to talk about data visualization using Streamlit. Streamlit is a Python framework for us to present our data, graph, drop-down menus, tables, all those. Okay, so now I'm going to open the VS Code. Yeah. So to use Streamlit, firstly, we need to install Python. We must have Python first. So here's a link, click downloads or release. And you can download the Python version you want, but make sure you download the 64-bit version because Streamlit doesn't work with the 32-bit one. So for me, I still using 3.8. Yeah, so this one. This is the option I download, Windows 64. Okay, so after download Python, you can open the VS Code, click terminal, new terminal, and insert this command. The command like. Okay, so the comments here, there's simple, just two things. The first one is install Streamlit. Okay, then the second one is Streamlit hello. So if you can access these pages, means the Streamlit has been successfully installed. Okay, so now let's open the folder. A file, I call it app.py. So today I'm going to demo how to create a drop-down menu and also a bar chart. Just these two things first. If there's time, maybe you can explore further. So because I'm going to perform, let me stop first. Because I'm going to perform some mathematical operations and I'm going to utilize NumPy and Pandas. Yeah, so these two things. So I have to install them as well. Panda. This one is mostly for the data analysis, and NumPy. This one is for maths. Yeah, so I install this first. Oh, I'm going to install using pip. Okay, seems it's already there. When I download Python, and the second one I'm going to install NumPy. Yeah, it's also already there. Okay, so if everything's ready, I can start import the library. The first one, I'm going to import the Streamlit. Oops. I name it ST. Easier. And second, I import pandas. And the third one, I import NumPy. Let me save this first. Extension, nope. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to set a page title. dot set page. Jumps. I go to name it jump starter. Okay, let's see how it goes. To run it, I think have to follow this code. Streamlit run. Okay, so nothing is shown yet. Yeah. Yeah, this one it will change the title. Just now it's called add something, then now it changed to the jump starter. So next, I'm going to add the title. Okay. C dot. Okay, so I add a text here. Then next I can add a form with a drop down menu. So this form I'm going to add like key equal to, I name it sidebar because it's a drop down menu. Okay, now we need to look for data. So I tried Google for some data sets for cars. Okay, this one looks good. Okay, let me look for better one. Okay, this one looks good. Too many procedure. How about this? Okay, I think this one will be working. Okay, this one, there are 5 options. I think it should be good. Okay, I try to download. I try to place the file I downloaded to the same folder as the Streamlit file. Because later we need the data, so it's simple for me to import it if they are at the same folder. Okay, the title I give as cast, and sort cast. Okay. So this basically explain what the drop-down menu is going to do. Then I create items. This one will be using for the content for the drop-down menu. Okay, so select categories. And here I'm going to place all the all the detail like age, gender, mouse, that, income, and sales. Okay, so I add another one called all. So all will inclusive of all these categories. Okay, so I saved it and check it. This one. Okay, so this is the drop-down menu I create. This is a title, and this is some descriptions and the drop-down menus here. But we are unable to sort anything yet because we haven't imported the data. Oh, this title, let me change. Details of cars. And no, I can change the wrong one. Okay, yeah, this one. Details of cars. And I think I use title better because title will give something like H1 in HTML. Yeah. So it looks better. Okay, so before we can perform the sorting, we need to import the data into our app first. So this one is a SCV file to import. We now use pandas function panda. Import files. Yeah, we go to pd.read SCV because it's a SVV file. And this one have to specify the path. Okay, so properties, I can copy the path here. And slash path dot scv. Yeah. I add another R here because this one are the special characters, and I need to escape those characters. So this R is used for escaping these characters. Okay. So to ensure the file are import, I can print the file first as a table. So I use st.table, save it, and refresh. Okay, so the data are printed. The file is has been successfully imported. Okay, so now we can do some sorting. So what I'm going to do with the sorting is I'm going to using a simple if-else statement. Okay, so if the item select double equal, Python only got double equal, unlike the JavaScript have triple equal, then I create a variables equal to yes. So means if the user select all, then I'm going to print the entire table. Maybe can as let me look at the data first. Okay. Due to this one, will perform some sorting. So I'm going to change the select categories, and maybe we'll do like select car based on their age. Yeah, I think it will be simple. So this one I change to select age. All will be selecting all. Then this one I will like below 20. There's something below 20, right? Yeah. And this one 20 to maybe 30. And this one 31 to 40. And lastly above 40. Yeah, this one will be easier for me to do the sorting. So if I select all, I'm going to print it all regardless of the age. So if item select is below 20, then I'm going to sort. This LOC is used for sorting. Maybe I can give a condition. No. Let me Google a while. Okay. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Hey, con Suki. Kami kita pakai siapa? Iya, tak. Let me try this. H. Okay, else if I'm not sure if it's working, so I have to try out first. Okay, I can select below 20. Oh, H, something wrong with H. It doesn't give any errors, but it's not working as well. Oh, we do not have any cars below 20. Let's pause it. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Oops. What's wrong? Below 20 is working, but 20 to 30 each. Oh, I have to do this. Up to 30. Oh, okay, my bad, my bad. Yeah, it should be a name. It should be enclosed using the astroprophy. Okay, so this one I undo. Okay, and try again. Ambiguous. If I try keyword and same issue. Okay. Sorry, let me consult Google. Yeah, but I'm already using the Bitwise, but it still doesn't work as expected. Wow. Mm. Okay, it seems like I need to add a brackets for every conditions. Okay, so then we can proceed lah. From 31 to 40. And this one will be like and continue with the yeah, I think I don't need the bracket anymore. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so all it will display everything. And when I select below 20, it will display the car below 20 only. Then 20 to 30, car age with 20 to 30, and similar goes to 31 to 40, and lastly above 40. Oh, there's something wrong with above 40. Oops, careless. Above 40. Okay. Okay, so lastly, the above 40. Select not defined. Or if they do not have cars with above 40, yeah, they do not have. So maybe in this case, there's nothing to show. So maybe we can write like st dot. We can write like now there is no car with oops. They need a select. So what can I do with a select? Mm. Place a value here. Oh, still select not defined. But can I print an empty table with no detail? So that's not defined, but it's already defined. Oh, I think it's not a numbering issue. Okay, yeah, there is car above 40. Just now, I accidentally put it greater than at this place. So this basically how the drop down menus works. Okay, so now the second part is going to plot a graph. Let me think, how can we plot a graph based on this? Okay, maybe select later. Um, okay, so maybe we can do something like this. How the numbers of cars for certain age range. So the first one is this one I think I omitted the or I just start from below 20. Below 20, then I will using count off. I'm not sure if I can still use this count off. Or I need to create a loop. Maybe. Okay. Um can I reuse the loop? Count.
上面现在改变没有？看慢慢不了，慢慢不了了，这个。好了好了，准备好了，你这个大对呢，我还是水就冰了。到了。
Seems like I just go with the most stupid method. I create different functions for different conditions. Okay, then we assign each functions to each variables. Um, from 20 to 30. Okay, then we're supposed to get a field value. Okay. After that, we can utilize functions called Streamlit bar chart. We can use this st dot bar chart to plot the graph. So we need data first. Let's copy this. And this one, noops. I'm going to insert all this below 20. Okay, and send it to track data. So let's see how it goes. I click save all. Oops. And refresh this. Something. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Okay, so just now the function issue is because unlike JavaScript, we can first call the function before declaring it. So for Python, the functions must be written first, then followed by the callback, followed by the variables to call it. But now still have some issue with the chat. Maybe I can just print out first. Okay, so I stop, I clear everything first, then I try run again. Something with this. What if I just print H? Should be okay. I think I should use a convenient way to count in table. Mm. Okay, so let me try this. I abandon this and I sort again. No, I need this. Let me try if this working first. Okay, this method is actually working, but I'm not sure. So let me try for the all the options. I commented all the functions and I try again. Okay, it's not giving any error now. The methods I use this time is I sort the table first. I calculate how many items with the H20. Then I count how many rows. I use the length.index. So it's clear that I cannot use the conventional way to count the number of occurrence for table. Okay, so if this good, then let's plot it. Okay, so here's a graph. It shows that like or maybe I can rename the index a bit. Okay, so I can maybe like I like okay this one like below 20 and this like from and lastly above 40. Okay, so let's try again. Oh, I columns R is at the data. Okay. Maybe I change this to index. Okay, so yeah, it's renamed to index. But there's one small little bug. So the index will be sorted based on the alphabetical order. So we can see that the car with ages above 40, there's about like 399 cars. Below 20, only 17. From 20 to 30, only like 338. And from 31 to 40 is like 209. And below is a table. We can sort the table based on the number of cars we desire, like below 20. Yeah, so that's all for my sharing on the Streamlit. So is there any issues or doubts that you like me to clarify? If not, then that's all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Well done.
It's a bit hard for me because like not really familiar with this Streamlit. I just like learned it last week.
Yeah, it's okay. That's good for you. Because
Yeah.
I didn't even like master Python that much. So it's great to see that like you can do it by your own. All
Oh
right.
no, I didn't do by my own. I Google a lot.
It's okay. It's a part of the learning process.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nothing can done anything. Yeah.
I'm just gonna stop the recording right now.
All right, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so thanks everyone and thank you for your patience. Okay.
Thank you, Clifford.
All right, thank you.